Big storm is a-coming. Gonna try to catch some fish. It is Thursday morning, 10/12/2023. Here he comes, the most shadow banned fisherman in the land, Captain Dan. Alright, so how do you stop it from getting the wind noise? How do you put the mic down in the cabin and yell at it? It's terrible conditions. We're going to try to catch fish. Whoa. Whoa. Well, you can't wear a hat out here. Ouch. Hooked myself. Alright, we got the double taco technique here. 2 soft taco shells folded over on number 2 eagle claw hook, 30-pound leader, 12-pound yellow braid. Here we go. It's in there. Oh, damn, we got one. Woo, it's a big shell cracker. Just like that. Now the wind is howling, but we got a big shell cracker. Nice shell cracker. I don't even think that took 1 second. What a beautiful fish. What's that? Magic word? Contact. Ah! Contact. Yeah. That's what they used to say in the old days when they start up their propeller. Contact. That took all of about 2 seconds. Once again, I'm using soft taco shells. Gotta make sure they're fresh or they won't work. Piece a little bit bigger than your thumbnail, or your thumb, I'm sorry. Fold it up in half and make the mini taco. Arriba! Here we go. And we get another one. That wind is howling. I don't know, you think he told all his friends about the hook? They like it floating on top, and it's pretty saturated. It sank. We might have to put a new piece on. They don't want to touch it. I think that one snitched us out. He said, like, watch out, there's hooks in that there soft tacos. Let's try some floating pieces. Ouch. Alright, we know a technique that works, but it's so windy, it's a hard presentation. Storm's here. Woohoo! That's it for me. No more fishing. Man, it's coming down in buckets.